there was anything important here, the whites must have surely taken.
If there was anything important here, the wife.
The plaque has been scorched and warped by the heat of the flames. It is illegible. Engraved on the plaque are the words, "Discipline of body." The plaque reads, "Purity of mind." It's impossible to discern what the plaque says. The fire damage is too great. A combination lock is embedded into the face of the hatch with 4 numbered dials. A sequence of numbers has been engraved on the face of the mechanism, 1324. Below this are 4 dials. Each of the 4 dials bears 4 phrases that can be rotated into place. The first dial must be set. The mechanism clicks. The second dial has the same 4 phrases to select from. The third dial bears the same options as before. One last dial remains, with the same phrases as all the others. The final dial clicks. Silence. The hatch doesn't budge. A sequence of numbers. Each of the 4 dials bears 4 phrases. The first dial must be set. The mechanism clicks. The second dial has the same 4 phrases to select from. The mechanism clicks once again. The third dial bears the same options as before. Another click. One last dial remains, with the same phrases as all the others. The final dial clicks. Then, deeper within the mechanism, the sound of gears turning and a bolt withdrawing. The hatch yields, clicking open.
Strongest locks hide the darkest secrets.